Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a get ready with me video using a few new products. So if you like to see more, as usual, please stay tuned. Like always, I'm starting off with my brows done and my eyelids primed, and we're going to get started with the eyes. So today I'm going to be using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, which has been really popular on Instagram lately, and I love this palette so far. The pans are super huge and so is the mirror. So to start off, I'm going to go into the color Tan, and I'm just going to apply this into my crease, blending it up using circular motions, going back and forth from my inner to outer corner of my eye. Moving right along, I'm going to jump to my Kat Von D Monarch eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use that orange color and just apply it over that first eyeshadow. So I'm basically building my crease. I want it to be very vibrant and warm, so I'm following the same motions, and I'm also using the same brush. Next, I'm going to go back to the Box of Crayons, and I'm going to use this red color and do the exact same thing. At this angle, the eyeshadow wasn't really picking up on camera as good, but I'm going to add some more later, and you guys will definitely be able to see the red. I'm going to deepen my outer V just using this brown color, and I also went ahead and cut my crease, but I don't know if I wasn't recording or the clip got deleted, but I don't have that footage. So yeah, I did go ahead and cut my crease using some concealer after this. Now I'm going to use this orange color, and it's like a bronzy shimmer, and I'm just going to pack that into the outer corner where my crease is cut, and I'm just packing it all in there. Then I'm going to use the gold eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack that into the inner part of my eye where my crease is cut, and then I'm also just going to kind of blend it into the orange eyeshadow. Now here's where I go back in with that red, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease in my outer corner and just kind of blend everything out. I'm going to move on to liner and lashes. I get a lot of questions on my lashes lately, and lately I've been ordering my lashes wholesale from AliExpress. I order just a bunch in different numbers, so I'll just link my supplier down below. And I feel like these lashes, they look better after a couple of wears, but yeah, this was a fresh pair and I wasn't really feeling how they looked, but I kept it moving. So now I'm priming my face using my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer, and I'm just pressing that into my skin. For foundation, I'm using a new foundation today, and it's the Nars Radiant Creamy Foundation, and I'm going to use this damp blending sponge, and this sponge was sent to me by a company named Pract. They're basically a sister company to Sigma, and they sent me a few blending brushes to use, well, blending sponges to use. So now I'm back to my foundation. This is in the color Macao, and guys, this matches my skin perfectly. Like, once I started blending it in, it just basically looked like my skin. This is a medium, I believe it's a medium coverage foundation. I don't need a lot of coverage, so this was like perfect for me. And this blending sponge as well, I feel like it blended the concealer, not the concealer, but it blended the foundation out really, really well. For concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer. I believe this is NC45. It'll be linked down below. And I'm just going to use that same sponge to blend it out, except this time I'm using the tip of it and blending out the concealer. in with my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel, and just kind of go over some of those areas just for a more highlighted look. And then I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas using the Laura Mercier loose powder in the color medium deep. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, my A1 since day one. I don't think I'll ever use a different face powder. Like, I can never go wrong with this one. I'm going to bronze my face up a little bit using this ColourPop bronzer in the color Bits and Pieces. Also gonna dab a little bit of blush onto my cheeks. This is Coral Cove by Milani. Now I'm going to move on to highlighter. I also picked up a highlighter from the Crayon case, and I got AnGLOWla, and it's basically a loose highlighter. This is my first time using one of these, so I've just put a little bit into the top, and I'm using this highlighter brush from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna lightly apply it on there. My camera wasn't picking it up that well, but in person you can definitely see it, so a little goes a long way with this highlighter. And I personally don't like a big gold streak down the side of my face, so I'm definitely just doing a light natural highlighted look. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, blue. Now I'm going to go into my lower lash line, and I'm going to use magenta from that Crayon case palette, and I'm just going to just smoke out my lower lash line with this magenta color. And then I'm also going to go in with violet from that same eyeshadow palette and just deepen it a little bit. I didn't care for the pink by itself. It kind of looked like red eyes or something, I don't know. So yeah, and then I also added some bottom eyeliner and bottom mascara to my bottom lashes. And now onto lips, taking my favorite dark brown pencil. This is from NYC. I don't even know what color it is, like 99 cents. So I'm just lining my lips. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop lip gloss. I believe it's called Finders Keeper. And then I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and plop that right on top of it. I love this applicator on this lip gloss. It's just so big, and I feel like it gets your whole lip at one time. And it smells really good as well. And yeah, that is the final look. I love the way this look came out. I'm here for all the new products that I use, so you'll definitely be seeing them in the future. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.